Hi guys, it's Miss Gamby, and I wanted to just kind of give you a quick rundown of what you're going to be doing on Wednesday and Thursday, the 10th and the 11th. You have quite a few lessons listed here for converting radians and degrees, your common sense chord rules, and segments and circles. But if you notice, Friday and Monday is just tangents. So if you run out of time, you really should at least get into segments and circles. But if you don't finish it, you can carry this segments and circles over to the tangents lesson on Monday and Friday and Monday. Okay, so to find these lessons, you're going to go to your page and you're going to click here on the image to go to your world of segments. Again, it takes us to lesson 8. We're going to go to home. Lesson 1 was arc length and area of sectors. You should already have completed that. You can skip straight to lesson 2, converting radians and degrees. Now, if you're taking a look at this, you have a video to watch, and then there's a little quick check formative built in right here in this Google site. Please make sure you answer with your proper name on the first question so I can track your progress. And then afterwards, you have this mixed practice. This is in your packet. You're going to complete it, and then you submit it under lesson 2, and it's learning. I'll show you where to do that in a minute. After that, lesson 3 is the common sense chord rules. This is a PowerPoint, and this is the video. They are the same material. It's just your choice, whichever you prefer to use. Some things to remember are listed here for you about radii being congruent, just some other things you should read through and take notes on. After that, you've got your common sense chord rules practice. This again is in your packet, and you can complete this and submit it, and it's learning for lesson 3. Then I've got your common sense chord rules listed as notes for you here. Then you may not finish, but I would like you to get to at least 2 here. Lesson 4, segments and circles. And you've got 2 videos. One that goes over chord, secant, and another one that goes through tangent, and secant, tangent. Then you just have some practice work here. And again, it gets submitted and it's learning. And then I've got your chord rules for you here. Your different segment rules rather here, with your chord being that your part times your part equals your part times your part, your tangent where the 2 tangents are congruent to each other, and then you've got tangent secant where your tangent squared is equal to the outside piece times the whole piece where you add them together. And then secant, out times whole equals out times whole. Okay, so once you finish with all of that, you'll be done and ready for your tangents lesson. So would like for you to try to get through lesson 4, but at least get into it. If you don't finish it, it's fine. You can finish it up on either Friday or Monday when you're doing your tangents lesson. So let's go back to its learning. And you can see right here below, it says lesson assignments 2, 3, 4. This is where you will submit your work from your packet as one PDF. And we've practiced doing that. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.